Well, I think we have to think of them as individuals. And I think if you focus on them as an individual, as a person, as a young person with something to offer, in our case to science and to humanity, then I think those barriers fall away.
I think it's important to have a format of teaching that tries to take into account different views. It's important for the professor to be knowledgeable, that people from different religious, cultural backgrounds are there, and then you have to try to mitigate the different interests and questions.
What we're trying to do in our school is to pursue strategies of learning by doing, and we really organise our curricula around very practical activities, and we find that levels the playing field in terms of the learning processes of the students, and they really engage with the material of the class in a way that if we delivered it in a more orthodox lecture style way, I don't think they would.
I think in regard to different socioeconomic backgrounds, that really depends on scholarships, and trying to ease the financial burden would be an approach there. In regard to other nationalities and groups, well, that's really about trying to open up for us as many study abroad opportunities as we can.
It's about ensuring our faculty know that it is part of their job to make students feel welcome and to feel challenged intellectually, no matter what their background might be.
If we take their lead, then there aren't barriers. I think we create the barriers, the students rip them apart.